on? It's Keyz, and I know it's been a while, but I want to start this off by saying Happy New Year's, guys. I hope everybody year's going great so far. I mean, it's only been we're only like about 9 days in, but I hope all you guys, had a wonderful holidays, Christmas. I hope everything went well, and now we're ready to take over 2018. So now check it, guys. I hope you all have just the mindset ready to take your business, or if you have not started a business yet, but already start preparing your mindset to excel from the beginning all the way till the end of this year and so on. I have so many things that I'm trying to work on. I know I've been missing for a while. I haven't posted up any videos, but yeah, but I'm here. And I wanted to share with you guys exactly, what I'm going to be working on throughout this year. And if you want to take action as well, you're more than welcome to, join my team, I guess you could say. But check it out. One thing I wanted to talk about first before we go any further, for those of you guys who are in my USI Tech team, as you can see that USI Tech is currently no longer taking any US and Canada customers anymore. If you do log into it, they will show you exactly why they're no longer taking people. Some people are already saying, oh, like it was a scam, it got shut down. It's not a scam, it didn't get shut down. It's just that people was just given misleading information, and there was a lot of complaints about it within, the U.S. area, that USI Tech didn't really want to continue, with the trouble or whatever. But like I said, you guys could do your homework. Definitely read into that. I'm not going to go too deep into it. But for those of you guys who do have your money in there still, of course, if you have any available balance, you can withdraw it and put it into your Bitcoin wallet. And of course, if you have active packages at the moment, it's still going through the cycle. So you have to wait till the 140 days is over, and they will give you back your coins. Now we're done with that, but of course, there's other stuff that you could do with the Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies that you have. And as we go on throughout this year, I'm definitely going to be sharing some cool things that you could do to help increase your income and your investments within cryptocurrency. And of course, Shopify is definitely #1 on the list that I will be going big on. I haven't posted up any recent video, but I'm gonna give a little jewel at the end of this video. Definitely, for those of you guys who do MCA, I'm doing that too. That's some affiliate marketing stuff as well. And you already know I'm going to be showing you guys some stuff within the Facebook ads as well. One thing that I am jumping on, that I'm kind of really going hard with right now, I mean, I was already doing it, but I'm really going to start pushing it big time, is Amazon FBA. That's another thing that I'm going crazy about as well. Like I said, this year, my main goal is that I really want to see if I could push things, to the limit as much as I can. Like, one of my main goals for this year is to help at least a minimum of 20 people. A minimum of 20 people hit 6 figures this year. And I really feel that it is possible. Last year I helped, I'm not gonna lie, I helped about 3 people hit 6 figures, and one of them really surpassed me by like the long run, just within Shopify. Mind you, I have other streams of income as well, but I'm not gonna lie, it did play a big part with his budget, and that's another thing. Sometimes if you gotta get a loan from your bank, whatever it is, so you could grow your business, then do it, go for it, but this year I definitely, like, that's the goal number for me. And I definitely, for you guys who are willing to take action, everything is gonna be below this video, but to get into some Shopify stuff, because I know my audience is very, is more niche on Shopify. So one thing that I've been doing differently now is the way that I test my products. I'm not gonna go deep into it, but I'm gonna just share to you exactly how I test my product, at least in the beginning phase. Like I said, I'm not gonna go too in depth. There's trainings that I do have about that, but that's all up to you. I'm not here to sell anything, but so the way how I do my testing now is that, of course, number one thing is that you want to stay within your budget. Do not get out of, don't push yourself to a point where it could get too risky for you. I don't want you to end up using your mortgage money to try to get your store up and running. But some people do $5 days, $5 a day on ads, and some people feel like they should be spending more. I mean, it's all up to how much you're willing to what budget you can work with, and you don't want to just throw money out there and you don't even know exactly what you're doing. That's another problem too. But back to what I was saying, like, this is how I do my testing now. Before, I used to never talk about worldwide campaigns. I never did any worldwide campaigns. I always did just US. And the thing about me is that I don't like to teach something that I don't do. So some people would approach me with different ways that they're setting up their ads, especially like through consultation calls that I may have, and they'll show me how they have their ads set up. And of course, if it looks crazy to me, if it looks out of place to me, then I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. Remember, everybody that you're gonna bump into on on YouTube or wherever it is, they're gonna show you their own strategy. A lot of newbies think that when they see all of these ways that other people are doing their ads, they feel like everybody that's doing good on Shopify, this is exactly how they're doing their ads too. And it's not like that. It's really not. There's not really 100% like this is like the correct way to do it. Everybody's doing something differently. You just have to find what exactly is working for you. So for those of you guys who are already used to me, you already know that I only share stuff that's working for me. You might go to somebody else and they might do it a different way too. So the way how I do it is that I run 3 different campaigns for a product. So I'm running a PPE, I'm running a video view ad, and I only do videos. So I'm running a PPE with a video. I'm running a video view ad using that same ad, and I'm doing a web conversion campaign with at least inside of that the web conversion campaign, I'm going to have probably a good 6 or maybe 7 ad sets in it. And what do I mean by that is that for example, let's say that we're testing this product right here. So for my PPE ad, I'm already targeting the age from whatever it is, and male or female, whatever. And you already know when you're doing the detail targeting, that's when you put in like, I'm looking for people that's interested in iPhone covers, phone accessories, so you're naming all of these detail targeting inside of that interest box that Facebook provide you with, which is where you're basically telling Facebook what audiences that you're looking for. So you set that up for your PPE. Then of course you use that same audience for your video view ad. Then now on your web conversion is where you split up the interests. That's where you have the multiple ad sets. You have each ad set targeting one interest word out of the ones that you already put in. So it's gonna have different audiences, the same audiences that you're targeting, but separately now. So instead of putting one ad set that's gonna have you're looking for people that's interested in iPhone covers and whatever it is, Now you're going to split it up. So one ad set is going to be for people who's interested in iPhone covers. The next one is going to be for people who has iPhone or whatever it is. So, and I'm doing everything. My PPE ad is going for about $25 for the day. Video views going for about $25 for the day, and my web conversion ad sets are going for about $10 each. So and all of this is worldwide campaign, by the way. I'm targeting worldwide, because what I'm doing with this is that I'm trying to build as much data as quick as possible. When you do worldwide campaign, you're giving Facebook so much data because there's so much traffic running through your site. And for the web conversion ad sets, all of them is going to be add to cart, because this is the test of it. We want to see which like is the product is it going to be profitable based on the audiences that you're giving Facebook to work with. So once, after, I'll say within 24 hours or even 2 days, with that budget that I'm giving, within 2 days I already know, okay, which interests or which audiences is not working, which is, and seeing, okay, what was the cost per conversion for me to move on to start scaling. Like I said, I'm not trying to go too deep into it, but even if you don't have $25 to put on the first 2 campaigns, stay within your budget. Like, and if you have to wait 3 to 5 days for you to get the data that you're looking for, and so let it be. Remember, guys, you want to think smart. You want to think smart when it comes to your business as a whole. But I'm sorry I had to make this video as short as possible. It's probably not even short. But remember, guys, if you have any question, please start following my Instagram. I'm trying to build a Instagram that's gonna be very active when it comes to communicating with you guys as well. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of prize giveaways on Instagram. Follow my Snapchat, that I'm gonna have all of the information is gonna be in here. And like I said, guys, if you have any questions, definitely shoot out to me, and we'll be back. Peace.
I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation.